I am Darmawan. This one? Oh, no, this one. This is my junior. I would like to talk our presentation here. Here are our colleagues from IPB University. Mr. Basuki is sitting there. Fransiska Simanjuntak is sitting there. We want to talk about the utilization of Himawari-8 Hotspot data for net and forest fire tracking. So for Bandung, maybe our presenter may be beneficial for you a little bit. Our research or our study was based on the fact that hotspot is already used as an early warning system tool, as Babandu said, and by monitoring via hotspot, we can immediately doing a field check to ensure if the fire is there, and if so, then we can immediately also to do every necessary action. However, there is different things happen in Indonesia, especially that hotspots nowadays are being used as one of a kind of strong evidence of completed forest fire in order to kill the initial ignition location of the fire based on the strict reliability concept of the law. And up to now, the hotspot data that being used for this purpose include the hotspot on Terra Aqua or MODIS, and OAA and SNPB, the orbital satellite, that have temporal resolution of only half daily or daily. So it is difficult to track the initial of the ignition when, for example, two separated hotspots are detected on a same day, especially for the area having low biomass dominated by vegetation such as grass and shrubs. As illustrated here are hotspots at A and B has its own fire source, or from one source like this. For that reason, we need to use narrow data source for fast freezing and forest fire case, and we have already technology Himawari-8 Hotspot that, according to Takahashi, Wu, and Yamamoto, are useful for fire detection, having temporal resolution of 10 minutes, and we can use altogether the hotspot data with, for example, sentinel image that is quite sufficient to identify burn scar. So the objective of our study was to find out the reliability of Himawari-8 Hotspot for use in detecting the initial and propagation of land or forest fire compared to the use of hotspot from MODIS, NOAA, and SNPB. We selected 3 locations experiencing big forest fire happening in 2019, all in Kalimantan, 1 Surya Hilir, 2 Tanjung Puting National Park, and the 3 is the area between Barito and Negara rivers. Data source consists of all hotspot data available via the website, and this is the Sentinel too. The step in analyzing the data is quite simple. We observe postcard via Sentinel, and we collect the hotspot from these sources using the confidence level greater than 80%, and then the selected hotspot was identified based on the date and time, and all together was plot. And for interpretation, we use these two, these two logical, pattern of bone scar versus hotspot date and time, and the earliest hotspot on a continuous bone scar is likely the initial spot of ignition, and the subsequent hotspots are exposed as the part of the fire propagation. Here we come. Here we come to the result. For the first location, we are using only MODIS, NOAA and SNPB hotspot because the area having high woody biomass vegetation, and the result like this on 4 to 5 September 2019, or there is only hotspot here. And on the following days, already more hotspot there, and in the following day, the hotspot even approaching the oil palm plantation, and finally at 11 September 2019, there are already big fire on the concession area. So using only NOAA, Terra Aqua and the SMPP hotspot is enough for the area we having high biomass vegetation. The second location is like this. This is the square tracking focus. In this sentinel, we can clearly see the burn scar, even the fire and the smoke. And if we use only MODIS and SNPP, there are two hotspots here and more hotspots here, and there is a gap here. There is no hotspot according to MODIS and etc. at all here, but we use the Himawari hotspot. We can identify there is hotspot here. It is in accordance with the burn scar in this direction, and this hotspot was numbering that the lowest number is the earlier the hotspot can be detected here. So we can conclude the fire likely is started here and then propagate here and finally become big fire here. The last location is between Bariso and Negara River, and from Sentia 29 August 2019, there is no burn scar yet here, but some days later already burn scar very clearly, and new burn scar around here, and when the fire was started, you can see from MODIS, there is only information about hotspot come only on 2 September 2019 and disappear in a day later. But using the Himawari-8 hotspot, clear that there are so many hotspots around here, and again, according to the number, the earlier hotspot written here, and then the latest hotspot around here and here, and we can quite certain that we can conclude that the fire is started here and moved this direction and become big fire here. So we come to conclusion that Himawari-8 Hotspot is more powerful to use in tracking the initial ignition spot and the propagation of spread of land and forest fire, especially for areas having vegetation of low biomass. Therefore, we suggest, especially Indonesian government tertiary, to include Himawari-8 Hotspot in the related regulation, as the main reference data for early warning system monitoring and even for any land forest fire code. Thank you.
Now, Q&A session. Questions? So, okay, I'll start. You use both modern aqua and also the Himawari-8, right? So what are the key differences between the two sensors, between the two platforms? What are the differences between the Himawari-8 and also the modern?
The main difference that's important for business is the temporal resolution, meaning that the image is every what frequency the image taken by satellite. The Himawari-8 more frequent, every 10 minutes the picture of the same location taken. So if there in some places there is a fire with fast fire, rapidly moving fire every 10 minutes, we can go to the hotspot. Then we can track the source of fire and the pathway of the property.
Thank you. So the Himawari is the geosynchronous satellite?
Top of
the location of the satellite performed there. Okay, any quick questions from the floor? Yes, one. In the middle?
Very good afternoon. Thank you for your presentation. I would like to ask, what is the justification for you to take only hotspot with 80% confidence? What is the justification?
The result or the selection of hotspot?
The selection of hotspot, more than 80% of confidence.
Actually, we only use the common standard that. Okay, Fransiska, remember?
So we use the 80% because that's the regulation from the
Yes, sorry.
it's the regulation from the Ministry in Indonesia, and the hotspot data must be 80% for
Sorry, I forgot that point.
Okay, thank you.
Alright, so thank you, Dr. Darmawan. And now we can proceed to our final presenter.